Good morning there, IDM class. This is Mr. Reimer. I'm going to make this little video here as some of you have now signed up for the Scratch Classroom and are beginning to work on your first Scratch game. And so I'm starting to get questions about, oh, this isn't working or that isn't working. And so in order to properly help you, I'm going to have to get you to do a couple of things first for me, and that will really make this a lot easier. So right now I'm just in my My Stuff page, so that's when you click up on your name here, go to My Stuff. I'm going to create a new project. And what I'm going to do in this project is I'm going to show you how to share your project with me. Now, here is your working area, here's obviously your gameplay area, all your blocks are over here, your sprites are down here, your backdrops are there. And right up here, right next to the name of your game, and you should be naming your game, you should have an orange button that says share. Now, if you do not have this button, it means that you have not verified your account with Scratch. So if you have not verified your account, you'll not see this orange button. So what I want you to do is go to your account here, go to Account Settings. You're going to go to Email. And you can see that I have a little green check mark right there. It says Email Confirmed. If you have not confirmed your email, you will not have a check mark there, and there will be a little link here that says Resend Verification Email. You're going to click on that link. Then you're going to go to your Gmail, which is the Gmail for this HSD account, and you'll have an email from Scratch that says Verify Your Email. You're going to click on the link in that email to verify your email. It'll say Email Verified. And then when you go back to your actual game here, you will have this orange button that says Share. So if you click Share, that basically just publishes your game, and it will allow me to see it. So what will happen is you'll have your game published, you'll have a question for me, then I'll simply click on your username, and I'll be able to look inside the code of your game. And what I'll do is, say you've got some code here, I'll just right click and I'll hit Add Comment, and then I'll say, hey, make sure, for instance, to make sure to check your X versus Y command, or whatever, right? I'm going to give you a little hint, say, hey, check out this block. I think there might be something going on here that's causing your issue. Although some of you are experiencing a little bit of choppiness, and unfortunately it's probably just your Chromebooks. But if it's anything other than that, I should be able to point you in the right direction. So once again, you go to your account settings, you go to your email, and then you make sure that you either have that little check mark or you send that verification email, go to your email and verify it by clicking on the link in the email. Once you've done that, you will share your project. So that's what I want you to do. Make sure you've shared it with me, and I'll be able to help you out, no problem, with any questions you have.